Whether you're a blogger, an online business owner, or a designer selling or creating printables or digital products can be a great way to earn money online. Hi everyone! In today's video, there's going to be two parts. First, I'm going to share with you some of the most profitable digital products that you can sell right away. And the second part is all about the resources to help you create your own digital products and sell them ASAP. So let's get on with it. Why should you sell digital products? There are so many reasons why, and to name a few: passive income, create it once and sell infinite copies forever; no inventory, none of the hassles of producing or shipping physical products or storing; no startup cost, only thing you lose is the time spent to create them. You can easily create products in any niche or interest, and it's satisfying and fun. So let's get on with it. First is ebooks. If you're a blogger or business owner in any niche, you can write an ebook. Educational ebooks tend to sell well. People buy a lot of information products that explain how to do something, especially as it relates to a big ticket purchase. So how-to guides that provide valuable information to your readers are the best. Aim for evergreen ebooks because you want it selling while you're sleeping and for a long time. Printables. Printables are a really fun digital product to sell. Basically, they are digital files you create for people to print out and use. Samples of printables that you can sell are planners and journals, trackers, lesson plans, workbooks, art prints, gift tags, invitation cards, stickers, invoices, logbooks, and so much more. I have a link below on the tutorial on how to create printables and where to sell them. Next, it's templates. To name a few, templates like resumes, media kits, social media posts, logos sells really well. Stock photos. If you have an eye for photography, stock photos could be the digital product for you. All you need is a nice camera and decent photo editing software. There's a huge market for style stock photography. Everyone from bloggers to business owners to social media managers to influencers are looking for the perfect photos to post on social media or use on their website. You can sell your photos individually or in bundles, or create a subscription-based website for your customers. Next is the online courses. Love to teach? Then this is for you. You can sell an online course or on just about any topic as long as you are providing value and teaching something useful to your audience. Your online course can include written lessons, video lessons, worksheets, or a combination of all three. Graphic design elements. Are you creative and do you enjoy working with programs such as Photoshop or Illustrator? If so, selling graphic design elements might be a digital product gig for you. Graphic design elements can be anything you create, including fonts, textures, brushes, illustrations, icons, vectors, and more. Patterns. If you're crafty, then this is for you. You can sell crochet or knitting patterns, clothing patterns, tapestry patterns, embroidery patterns, and so much more. Okay, in this second part of the video, we'll be talking about some resources to help you create your own printables right away. Stick around till the very end if you don't want to miss the other bonus resources. If you don't know it yet, creating printables is a very useful skill to have, especially if you're a blogger, because you can use this as an incentive for people to sign up to your email list. You can also make money online by selling them. I will put the link below on the video that I created that talks about where you can sell your printables online. So how do I create my own printables? I prefer to use InDesign when creating printables. InDesign allows me to produce high-quality printables, planner, and journals pretty quickly. That being said, there are a lot of great options available online for creating your own eye-catching printables. Today I want to share 15 resources like finding amazing graphics and fonts to help you create your own printables, plus a few bonuses, so you better stick around, eh? Getting started is easy with few free resources. When I create my printables, I like to use clip art to enhance and make my printables look good. The tools and resources you'll need depend in part by what you plan to create, but here is a list of common needs. First is Adobe Indesign. As I've said, this is my go-to software in creating my printables, planners, journals, trackers, ebooks, etc. It's a layout and page design software for print and digital media, and you can create stunning designs here. InDesign has everything you need to create and publish books, digital magazines, ebooks, posters, interactive PDFs, and more. Picmonkey. Picmonkey is an online photo editor and graphic design maker. It has an easy-to-use program with clip art and fonts already integrated into their site. It is very user-friendly. I would highly recommend it for beginners. With Picmonkey, you can edit photos and templates, design printables, and so much more. Picmonkey is about $7.99 a month for their basic plan. And if you're interested in giving Picmonkey a try, I recommend signing up for their free 7-day trial. And if you're really serious, get the upgrade. Next is Canva. Canva is another excellent online image editor. It is a great tool for those who don't have professional design software. Many people use it to create social media graphics, blog post graphics, even ebooks and resumes. What I like about Canva is the wide variety of templates, images, illustrations, and other graphic elements. Canva has loads of ready-made printables available that you can use in various ways. Their basic features are available for free. However, to access additional features, you will need to upgrade to a paid account. For a free account, you can still download your design without the watermark as long as you are using the basic features. Next is Design Bundles. If you're looking for free premium graphics, Design Bundles has a page dedicated to showcasing their current selection of free design resources. New bundles are added regularly. Additionally, these deals do expire, so if you see something you like, make sure you download it before it expires. All bundles are available to use for your personal and commercial projects. Font Bundles. Check out Font Bundles for exclusive deals on premium and free fonts. As with our Design Bundles, all fonts are available to use for your personal and commercial projects. Might as well register too, so you'll get an email every week for freebies. BeFunky. The BeFunky editor is another online photo editor that features a wide variety of effects and premium or pre-made templates. I personally don't use this often, but gave it a try anyway. Free Design Resource. Free Design Resource has a beautiful collection of free fonts, templates, icons, mock-ups, graphics, and more. Make sure you read the licensing agreement before using your downloads. This site is one of my go-to resources for free design elements. Next is Dropbox. Dropbox is a free file hosting service. They offer paid plans for those looking for additional space and features, but the free plan works well. Use Dropbox to share free printables with your readers. They're free, user-friendly, and you don't have to worry about hosting files on your own server. Bitly. Along with using Dropbox for hosting printables, use Bitly to create tracking links for your printables. Bitly allows you to easily shorten, share, manage, and analyze your links. After uploading a file to Dropbox, take the link for the file and paste it into Bitly. By using Bitly, you can see which printables are getting the most clicks, so you know which type of printables your readers prefer. PDFEscape. If you've ever wanted to know how to make a PDF fillable, PDFEscape is the key. It is a free online program that allows you to create PDFs that can be filled out by the user on their computer prior to printing. Next is Adobe Photoshop, of course. Adobe Photoshop is my go-to software for creating some of the elements I need for my printables or planners and journals. If you plan on selling your planners and printables, I recommend getting familiar with the Adobe suite, mainly InDesign, Illustrator, and Photoshop, and creating your printables there. The result will be a high-quality product that you can offer your customers. Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Doc. Did you know that you can create printables using this Microsoft Office software? If you can handle Photoshop or InDesign, then this is an alternative to Word, Excel, PowerPoint are good for creating daily and weekly planners, to-do checklists, calendars, and more. Along with Microsoft Office, printables can also be created using Google Docs. The downside on the design font, they're very limited. Word doesn't have enough built-in design features that you could use to accessorize your designs. Google Doc is great for creating content, but like MS Word, it's limited on design capabilities. Personally, I don't use these softwares for designing as I cannot get as creative as I wanted to, but it's all up to you. The Hungry JPEG. This site offers a nice size collection of free fonts, mock-ups, illustrations, and stock photos. Next is Flaticon. I love this site. Flaticon has a database of over 1 million icons. The best part is that most of the icons are free to download. When using the icons in your projects, keep in mind that when you use their free icons, you must credit the author. Although if you're adept in Adobe Illustrator, you can manipulate the icons, like change the color to suit your brand and color. Creative Market. Creative Market is a digital marketplace that features graphics, templates, photos, fonts, and more. Every week, Creative Market offers a beautiful selection of free goods. Make sure you check out this page. Better yet, register with them. It's free and you'll get a weekly email for free resources. So the bonus resources, Pexels for stock photos, the font for free fonts, Pixabay, openclipart.org, Stock Unlimited, color palettes for color palette ideas, Shopify for selling your printables, WooCommerce for selling your printables on your own blog and shop. So I hope you find this list helpful in creating your own eye-catching printables. And what resources do you prefer to use when creating your printables? Let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Let's keep watching and learning. Thanks, see you in the next one. And that's it for now. I hope this inspires you to start thinking what you can sell and make money online. And I have a link below on where to sell printables, so go ahead and check it out. And give this a like if you haven't done that already, and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell for videos like this. Thanks and see you on the next video.